In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find S&P 500 on Charles Schwab. Whether you simply want to see where the market stands or you're ready to buy something that follows it, I'll show you 3 clear ways to get there and explain what each view means inside your Schwab account. First, the fastest way is to pull up the S&P 500 index itself. Log into your Charles Schwab account and look for the search bar at the top of the page. Type SPX, which is the symbol for the S&P 500 index. Click the result labeled S&P 500 Index. This page shows the live index value, a price chart you can adjust over different time frames, and performance data. Use this view for a quick market check. It's important to know that SPX is just the index. It's a reference number that tracks the combined performance of the 500 companies. You can't place trades on the SPX page because the index itself isn't a tradable security. If you want to invest in something that mirrors the S&P 500, you'll use funds that track it. You can't buy the index directly, but you can buy a mutual fund or ETF designed to follow it closely. Popular choices include SWPPX, the Schwab S&P 500 Index Fund, VOO, the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, and SPY, the SPDR S&P 500 ETF. To find and trade them, go to the Trade menu and choose ETFs or mutual funds depending on which you want. In the search box, enter SWPPX for the mutual fund or VOO or SPI for the ETFs. Open the details page to review information, then select Trade when you're ready. Remember, mutual funds like SWPPX execute once per day after market close at the fund's net asset value, while ETFs like VOO and SPY trade in real time during market hours with live prices. You can also explore options using Schwab's research tools. Go to the research section and choose ETFs or mutual funds. Set filters such as category to large blend or S&P 500 index, then browse the available funds that track the index. This view is especially useful if you want to compare choices side by side and narrow in on the one that fits your preferences. To wrap up, use SPX to see the index level and market performance, and use SWPPX, VOO, or SPY when you actually want to buy exposure to the S&P 500. Keep in mind the trading differences between mutual funds and ETFs, and use research filters to compare your options with confidence.